Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my LaLa Land crafts in today. I want to see it. So this kit is like $49 and change, and I love it. You get the die set and the stamp set, and this is how they are, red rubber. They're red rubber. And you get the die set. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, it's like a very elegant frame, and then you get the chandelier. Okay, we gotta see what it looks like though. So this is what it looks like. So it is dressed up Marcy and Luca in a tuxedo, an ornate frame, and a chandelier. Isn't that the cutest? This is for like prom and all that stuff that's happening in this month. So it's so cute. But you can use it for a wedding. It's just anything. It's awesome. But these are the red rubber ones. And remember I told you guys, you just peel that off, peel the backing off, and then just stick it to your this part, because it's meant for it's meant to hold them. So it's like an all-in-one. All right, guys, so take care. This is it for May, and I can't wait to see what they have next month. So we'll see you all later. Take care. Bye.